Hello, hello, it's Jackie from the basement, and I just did a really dumb thing. Okay, there we go. I was filling up this cup over here. I wanted to do another pride pour. Alright, it's been a day. Isn't it always a day with me? Anywho, and I look down and it's like, there's stuff coming out of my cup. I poured the paints into the cup that I used the last time that I wanted to do the grenade. Totally forgot there was a hole in there, so I got it plugged up with the large thumbtack. So tonight we are using crimson. Okay. Artist Loft Ready Mix Crimson. There's my chair. And orange. Artist Loft Ready Mixed Orange. And the Artist Loft Ready Mixed Bright Yellow. And the Artist Loft, I want to say, yep, Sap Green. And the Artist Loft Phthalo Blue. I'm almost out of the bright blue, so I had to choose that one. And the Artist Loft Violet. Alrighty. I'm doing Artist Loft because I want another, what are we trying to call this? A glossy one. And Artist Loft Ready Mixed are they dry glossy. It depends on what, if you're going to mix your own, it depends on what medium you're mixing with. And I use Floetrol, so that does not give it any sheen. But if I used a pouring medium that was like the Artist Loft pouring medium, mixed with any of the paints, will give it the gloss. So, excuse my... Okay. I was gonna do... I had almost decided, but I'm still deciding here, if I should do another traveling tree ring, or do I want to do a larger canvas. This here is a 10 by 20. Trying to think. Alrighty. Excuse me. Okay. I'm sorry I've been absent. I have been stuck on YouTube videos. Yeah. The Matthews fam, as usual. And then I found another one. I think it's called Scammer's Payback. And his name is Pierogi. Check it out. It's crazy how he gets back at the scammers. I love it. So gratifying to watch. Okay. So we just do we want to do a ribbon pour, or do we want to do a traveling tree ring? The questions are in my head are limitless. Lord. Okay. Already got this spot down here, so let's start traveling and see where it takes us. I'm going to do it slow this time. And there's 3 layers of each color in here. The last one was probably 2. And I'm not going as slow as I should be. But that's pretty typical of me. Unless I'm doing housework. Okay, there's still some left in here. Trying to think. Let's stretch it. Oh, and there's also a not a YouTuber. Wait a minute. Here we go. A Facebook, I guess you call him an influencer. His name is Paul Dow. Yeah. He does cosmetics, and oh my gosh. It is pretty stinking fabulous. No, it is fabulous. It's, wow. My gosh. And he's so pretty. Oh, I didn't put my apron on. I was going to. Okay. Now here we're going to go with... We're just going to kind of swirl it out here. Another traveling tree ring. Oh, and I got a job, guys. I got a job. So classes begin September, nope, October 18th. So, I've got a lot to do before classes begin. Yes, yes, oh yes. Trying to fix the corners here before I go too much further. Yeah, Southern Country Fashions and Jewels, I think. Don't quote me. He's been talking about this Paul Dow. I'm like, okay, alrighty. And then my cousin, I looked on his page and my cousin follows him. Oh, I'm like, okay, I guess I need to also. So, he comes on at crazy hours when he does his lives. Crazy. I think I was up till like 8 o'clock this morning, but it may not have been 8 because at some point last night, my clock went forward an hour. Yeah, I don't understand that one. It's nowhere near daylight savings time change. So, who knows, but I was quite happy that I didn't get up at 4 in the evening. So, but anywho. So yeah, if you get a chance, watch Paul get some fabulous makeup ideas. And he's got some lines out there that his own products. One's by Ofra, O-F-R-A, I think is how it's spelled. I should know because I watch him enough. He's got his own makeup out there, and give him a watch. My gosh, he's incredible to watch. He transforms from a very pretty man into an absolutely gorgeous woman. Like, wow. Just with makeup. While I was watching him earlier, I thought, oh, what the heck. Let's go get our makeup. I got the Maybelline and stuff like that. It's nothing like his line. I'm like, okay, let's see if we can try and follow him. I don't have the patience. I don't. I just want to slap it on, say we're done for the day. Okay. Alright, we got it think we have everything covered. Let me make sure. Alright. Alright, this could use something right about there. Okay. Yeah, if you haven't heard of Paul Dow, look him up. D-A-O is how you spell his last name. Okay, let me get these gloves washed off and we'll be right back. Ta-da! Just like magic, we're back. And I got my gloves off, so I got my old person hands. Ugh. Alrighty. Gonna take you on a little tour here. And here is a corner. Like I said, this will stay glossy as it dries. After it's dried even. That is the magic of the Artist Loft Ready Mixed. It's fabulous for beginners. And it's wonderful to go back to. Oh. And there's no mixing involved. You just open the jar, the bottle, take the piece of aluminum foil off the top, and just start putting it in cups or wherever you want to, on a canvas, wherever your heart desires. So, I want to thank you for taking the time to watch tonight. Sorry about that light up there. Oh, darn. I hope everybody has a nice weekend. And I'm going to try and be here more often. Just that right now, the basement's kind of damp, so things dry really slow. And I guess I could clean off this other side over here and have another place to pour, but yeah. So anywho, like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. This is Jackie from the basement. Happy with Twist Acrylic Pours Plus. We'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.